wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, like a man that can take me down.
Good morning. We're on our way to meet up with Bob and Amy. And you guessed it, we're going for a lunch.
Or breakfast. Whatever comes first.
Okay, we'll call it a brunch.
Yeah. Supposed to be hitting a place called
Don't know.
Rouse's in Shalakta.
Okay. So,
Oh, take my word for it. That's where we're supposed to be going.
but our plans can change. We don't know.
I know.
Everything good. And look at, there's no signs. The bridge is open.
Woohoo!
Wow. Taking all the signs removed. The roads are all open. We got the farmer's market down the street here. Hey, how come you're not with Our friends from Village Pizza. Hey, the bridge is open. Woo!
Still will be a cluster.
It's going to be better now. No stopping. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. I forgot to say, today's Friday, the 20th of September.
You'll catch up.
Try to keep everything up. We know what we're doing. Alrighty.
It's cool.
No Bob and Amy in front of us, and we just went to a swarm of little bugs. Looks like a cloud. Yeah, another one over there.
They're everywhere. It looks like smoke, but they're bugs.
Wow. Okay, we're off to Krause's.
Okay, Shalakta.
Okay.
Towards Indiana.
Okay. I'll just follow the leader.
No boy.
They tried to get me to lead, and I go, I don't know where I am.
Well, you know how to get to the log cabin. Rouse is right up the street.
Okay. You got that, everybody? Well, stay tuned. Well, that was a beautiful brunch.
Yep.
We went to
Rouse's.
Route 422.
In Shalakta.
Got that. Oh, I had a 8 lettuce omelet, which was yummy. Rita had a
Western,
right.
which was very good.
Amy had a
Grilled chicken sub with onions, peppers.
and Bob had his honey eggs.
Snotty.
Sausage and gravy and biscuit with
Yep.
sausage gravy. It was all excellent. You guys are only open, what's it, Tuesday through Sunday,
Yep.
7 to 2. Yummy. Gotta stop. Want some good food. Now we're on to the next. No,
okay it, agree.
Yeah.
Okay, yep, that's good. Let's go.
Okay. As long as we're riding, we're happy. There's not too many of these beautiful days left. And then we'll be at the cold months.
Yeah, we are going to do a full foliage tour of 24.
Make sure you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss that. This is what we like to do, just find the road and ride. This is Creekside Road. What town? You don't know. It's a nice road, nice scenery. Looks like we're up pretty high. That's pretty good.
Thomas Cubbage Ridge Road. I'm wondering if that's the one that we were at. I don't remember.
Oh yeah, we've been on this one. We've seen this one. We're coming up to a bridge. We've been to the farm. Walk your horse.
I don't remember this.
Should be coming up to a bridge. I think.
No, I don't remember this at all.
It says Thomas Covered Bridge.
Yeah, we didn't do this one.
We didn't do this one?
No, we did not. We did
Crooked.
the other one.
Oh, Crooked Creek. I just had to.
I know.
Well, I can't rev my bike up,
It's
so
the inner child.
we can't rev the bike up like on a Harley because there's no neutral on this, no clutch.
Oh, this is Yannick's farm.
Yes, it is.
No shit. Why don't I remember that before? My brain's going.
Okay, we go back from the other way now. You get to see it both directions.
Thomas Bridge, 1879.
Hey, our horns sound the same.
Almost. Is that your standard motorcycle horn?
Yeah. Some horns go. You get that?
Yeah.
Alright, off to the next. That's cool. They're harvesting the corn. Sorry I didn't get a sooner picture of it, but
That's for the cows. Mixed
Yep.
with their grain.
beautiful, beautiful day. Nice roads. You never know where you're gonna see. Woohoo! Congratulations, Blue 2. On September 20th, it turned 20,000 miles since we owned it. Woohoo! Wow! Picked up Blue 2 on the 3rd of September. Today's the 20th and we just put on 20,000.
A year ago in a couple weeks.
Yep. And we did have a week off.
Yeah.
Oh, Okay, I'm turning around and going home. We just had to ride until we made it. Okay, we can go home now. We're happy. We turned 20,000.
Yep.
It took us 17 days longer. Missed by 17 days. Well,
Well, we were gone for a week, so.
yeah. So we're going blue for 2 years, and we put 20,000 miles on it. I'm glad you were along for the ride to celebrate with us.
Yes.
Boom, boom. Fireworks.
Yep. Horns. Toot toot.
Not doing our own horn or anything. Okay, we're heading home.
Yeah.
Rita's going, thank God.
Well, it's a little hot.
Yeah, we had a beautiful day with Bob and Amy.
Yeah, we did.
We'll meet up with them at the V tonight.
PM laps, people. PM laps.
It's going to be a good day. But next stop is home, sweet home.
Yeah, or I'll get him to play that Motley Crue Home Sweet Home before you know it. You watch it.
Yep.